In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your missing 1095A e-file reject in Turbotax. Maybe you're in the middle of preparing your taxes and you've suddenly hit a roadblock with this e-file reject F8962072 code. Well, don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving this issue so that you can continue with your tax filing smoothly. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the Turbotax free edition for 2024. If you're not already on the Turbotax website, open up your preferred browser and visit Turbotax's official site. Once you're there, navigate to the free edition section for the current tax year. This is crucial because you want to ensure you're working with the right version that aligns with this year's tax requirements. After you've opened Turbotax, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is your gateway to quickly finding the solutions you need within the software. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Once it opens up, you'll need to type in the words missing 1095 into the search field. This simple phrase will take you to the resources and troubleshooting guides related to the document we need to fix. With those words entered, hit enter or click on the search icon, and you should see a list of results related to your query. Among these results, look for the option titled, "How do I fix e-file reject F8962072? It should be prominently displayed, so don't worry if there are a lot of results. Turbotax does a good job of prioritizing the most relevant information for you. Clicking on this option will guide you to a detailed article or guide that Turbotax provides regarding this specific e-file rejection. Take your time to read through this guide carefully. It will contain crucial information that not only explains the e-file rejection, but also refers to the necessary steps you need to take to input the missing information from your 1095A form. Typically, this involves gathering your physical or digital copy of the 1095A form sent to you by the health insurance marketplace. Ensure you have it at hand, as you'll need to enter the information accurately back into the Turbotax platform to amend the missing details that led to the initial rejection. Keep in mind that rinsing and repeating this step may be necessary if further clarification is required. As you follow the steps outlined in the guide, be patient and thorough with the information you provide. Once you have completed the process, return to your e-filing attempt and see if the issue is resolved with the changes you've made. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to address any issues regarding the missing 1095A e-file reject in Turbotax, allowing you to proceed with filing your taxes without further delays. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.